Let's be honest. Most Americans think saving money is boring and slow. Many believe the only way to build wealth is by earning more money, getting promotions, or starting a side hustle. But what if the real secret to financial freedom isn't about making six figures? What if it's about understanding the hidden power of saving? In today's video, you'll see how simple saving habits can quietly grow your money, lower your stress, and give you real financial control. Even in today's expensive US economy, no extreme budgeting, no complicated math, just smart, simple systems that actually work. Many people believe that earning more money automatically means becoming wealthy, but that's not always true. Income builds lifestyle. Savings build freedom. When income increases, many Americans upgrade their lifestyle: bigger homes, nicer cars, more subscriptions, and higher spending. As expenses rise, the extra income disappears. Without saving, a higher salary does not create real wealth. Imagine two people earning $80,000 per year. One person saves 20% consistently, while the other spends everything. After 10 years, the saver has built a strong financial cushion, investments, and real options. The spender may still feel stressed and paycheck to paycheck. The difference isn't income, it's saving. Saving gives you leverage. It gives you choices, security, and control over your future. The compound effect is one of the most powerful tools in personal finance. It allows your money to grow quietly over time even while you sleep. Here's how it works. Savings invest interest reinvest more growth. When you invest your savings, you earn interest or returns. Instead of spending those returns, you reinvest them. Over time, you start earning returns on your original money and on the interest it generated. That's compounding. Even small monthly savings can turn into large amounts. For example, investing $300 per month at an average 8% annual return could grow to about $54,000 in 10 years and more than $450,000 in 30 years. The secret isn't luck or high income. It's time and consistency. The earlier you start and the longer you stay consistent, the more powerful compounding becomes. That's the hidden power of patient, steady investing. Before you focus on investing or growing wealth, you need protection. An emergency fund acts like financial armor. It protects you from unexpected situations that can damage your finances. The goal is to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate, easy-to-access account. Why is this so important? Because life is unpredictable. You could face job loss, medical bills, car repairs, or sudden home expenses. Without savings, most people turn to credit cards or loans, which often come with high interest rates. That creates debt and adds more stress. But when you have an emergency fund, the situation feels different. Instead of panic, you have peace of mind. Instead of debt, you use your own money and stay in control. An emergency fund doesn't just protect your bank account, it protects your confidence. It gives you stability, reduces financial anxiety, and creates a strong foundation for future investing and wealth building. Saving money is not just about numbers, it's about how you see yourself. When you start saving consistently, your identity begins to change. Instead of thinking, "I hope nothing goes wrong," you begin to think, "I'm prepared." That small mental shift is powerful. Having savings builds financial confidence. When you know you have money set aside, you make better decisions. You're less likely to panic during emergencies or make emotional spending choices. You don't feel pressured to say yes to things you can't afford. Stress levels go down because you know you have a safety net. Saving also creates a sense of control. You feel more stable and secure about your future. It's not just about building wealth, it's about building peace of mind. In the end, saving isn't only math and percentages. It's mindset and discipline. And that mindset can completely change your financial life. One of the most powerful wealth rules is simple: pay yourself first. Instead of paying bills and spending first, you flip the order. The money flow should look like this: paycheck, savings, bills, spending. If you wait to save whatever is left over at the end of the month, chances are nothing will be left. Expenses always expand to match your income. That's why saving must come first, not last. A smart tip is to automate 10-20 of your paycheck on payday. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account so the money moves before you even see it. When the money is out of sight, it's out of mind. You naturally adjust your spending to what remains. This strategy removes emotion and decision-making from saving. It turns saving into a habit, not a struggle. Over time, this simple system can quietly build serious wealth and long-term financial security. Many Americans underestimate how powerful small amounts of money can be. But small daily habits can create massive long-term results. For example, saving just $5 per day may not feel like much. That's the price of a coffee or a quick snack. But $5 per day equals about $150 per month. Over a year, that becomes $1,800. Now imagine investing that $1,800 every year instead of spending it. With time and compound growth, those small contributions can turn into tens of thousands of dollars. The key is consistency. Small habits repeated daily are more powerful than big efforts done once in a while. You don't need to save huge amounts to build wealth. You just need to start small and stay consistent. Wealth is often built quietly through simple routines, not dramatic changes. Don't ignore small numbers, they add up faster than you think. The real power of saving money isn't just the number in your bank account. It's the options that money gives you. When you have savings, you're not stuck. You're not forced to stay in situations that make you unhappy or stressed. Savings give you the option to leave a toxic job without panic. They give you the courage to start a business or try something new. You can move to a different city, take time off, or even retire earlier than expected. Without savings, choices feel limited. With savings, life feels flexible. You gain control over your time and decisions. That's real wealth, not just income, but freedom. Saving money quietly builds that freedom step by step. It gives you confidence and security in uncertain times. At the end of the day, saving isn't about showing off. It's about living life on your own terms. And in today's world, freedom is the ultimate flex. Saving money isn't about being cheap, it's about building power quietly. The hidden power of saving isn't flashy. It's calm, controlled, and unstoppable. Every dollar you save today gives you more freedom, security, and options tomorrow. If you want practical, realistic saving strategies designed for Americans, subscribe to Saving Planning. We make finance simple, smart, and stress-free, helping you grow your wealth without sacrificing your lifestyle. Start taking control of your money today. Your future self is watching, and every smart decision now will make them proud. Start small, stay consistent, and let your savings work for you.